First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Laura Tomás, and I will explain one of the activities I choose to explain to students the use of grammatical expression can and cannot. First of all, I would like to say that this activity is included in the teaching unit 2, having the title Let's Play. This teaching unit is designed for students between 7 and 8 years old who are enrolled in the second years of primary education. With this activity, I will be trying to cover the competence 1, linguistic communication competence, interacts with classmates through some phrases and expressing their skills, and the competence 6, knowledge and interacts with the physical work competence, understand the importance of having healthy habits and respectful life with the environment. The activity will take place in the second session of the teaching unit and will be learned the grammatical structures I can and I cannot using simple sentences. I would like to start by asking to students what is your favorite activity, and they have to answer with a unit vocabulary that previously in the blackboard.
As you can see in the blackboard, some examples are write, cook, sing, draw, run, or something like this.
The main activity is going to split in two parts. In the first part, I will give each student a sheet in which they would find a puzzle. The puzzle has some simple sentences that appears not in order.
In the example, we find first the ability, then the subject, and finally the verb. The student will have to order the sentence and write it correctly in the space below. Every sentence is associated with a letter, so to end the activity, they will have to match the ability described with one of the drawings at the end of the page and discover a secret word that forms with those letters.
The problem pupils may find are don't make the sentences correctly, so we can try to correct reading the sentences aloud with emphasis on the correct order. For example, I can't paint. Another problem that can be found is not knowing that abilities refer to, so it will be correct showing to pupils the elements in the picture associated with the ability to learn the meaning with visual association. In the second activity, we extend grammatical knowledge by incorporating the negative form can't. On this occasion, the activity sheet presents two drawings for each ability.
Students looking at those drawings have to identify and target the sentences if the animal can or cannot do the ability. The student will have to paint with a color the square with the correct verb tense.
With these activities, I want to get as goal, students will be able to use the grammar structures can and cannot properly. This will allow them to interact with other classmates and be able to express what abilities they can or cannot do. To conclude, the method that I will use to evaluate this activity will be 1. Direct observation in the classroom, and 2. Recording in the teacher's notebook how the activity has been developed. Thanks for your attention.